Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. We are going to take a close look at HP Smart Tank 5105 all-in-one printer, a compact ink tank powerhouse designed for home and small office users who want low-cost, high-volume printing without compromising on quality. The 5105 has a sleek, modern design with a compact footprint, making it perfect for tight spaces. It comes with an integrated ink tank system, so you can easily monitor ink level right from the front. This printer is true all-in-one device. It prints, scan, and copy. It supports borderless printing. The setup is super simple with dual Wi-Fi, USB connectivity, HP Smart App support for seamless mobile printing. This printer uses refillable ink tank. HP includes up to 6,000 black or 6,000 color page worth of ink in the box. This is massive savings, making it ideal for high volume users. You can print quality documents that is crisp and vibrant. This printer is perfect for documents, schoolwork, and even basic photo print. This printer is not the fastest printer out there, but more than enough for everyday tasks. Operating system is simply quiet. The HP Smart Tank 5105 handles multi-page documents smoothly. Scanning and copying are efficient with decent resolution and clarity. This HP Smart Tank 5105 is an excellent value if you are tired of buying expensive cartridges. It is a long-term investment for home, student, and office. If you want a reliable, cost-effective printing with wireless convenience and solid all-in-one features, then this is right printer for you. 12 print per minute for black and 5 print for color. We're going to check this printer out, see what is inside. This is magenta, yellow, cyan, black. Power cables, 2 power cables included. One is 3-pin and this one is 2-pin. And also you got print head, black, and 3 colors included. Nice packaging. Setup and reference guide. Paperwork. See, very light. I like the color. This print, I like the color mixture of gray and white. This is the scanner, flat bed scanner. And at the back, the power cable goes in here. The top, this is the USB port. USB cable is not included in the packaging. And this is the rear paper feed. here paper tray, so you can load 8.5 by 11 inch paper, A4, 5 by 7 inch paper, 4 by 6 photo paper. Load various sizes of paper and adjust it with a guide. This printer is decent, economical and affordable. So if you take the power cable, connect it to this power cable, push it in, then plug it on to the socket. The screen and the button are on the top. So the ink tank system, you see the black is the K, cyan is C, M is magenta, Y is for yellow. There are stickers on top. You switch this printer on and off on this button. This is the Wi-Fi button. This button is for you to cancel. Information button. This button is for you to copy, color and black, and also resume. Resume a job after a disruption. This button is cancel. Information button. Print summary of printer setting and status with information button. Wi-Fi button. Wi-Fi button light. Turn on or off Wi-Fi. The light indicates Wi-Fi status, and you can see the Wi-Fi is flashing at the moment. This printer is not yet connected to the Wi-Fi network. This button, ID card button, place a card anywhere on the scanner glass to copy both sides onto the same page. The light will highlight here for you to copy black or color. These two buttons here. If you see the light here, indicate problem with the paper, ink or print head. So if you open this printer this way, remove this packaging. Now you see a color, black and or purple color. When you load the print head, the black one needs to go on the right, the other one go on the left. This is the ink tank system. You fill the ink on this tank system here. This is the unboxing and overview of this printer, HP Smart Tank 5105. This is the unboxing and overview. Thank you very much indeed.